In this demonstration, I'll be introducing Clarity, the tool I've developed using Python to automatically detect vulnerabilities in e-commerce web applications. The box in the top left is where the user will enter the target web application. Below it, the text area will list all web pages found in the application. Below that will display the current page being scanned, giving the user an idea of the progress being made. In this drop-down box, the type of scan can be selected, and these radio buttons allow the user to decide if they want to scan all web pages or just the one entered in the target application box. Finally, this text area will display any results gathered once the scan is complete. I will now run scans to demonstrate how the tool works. Firstly, I will select Crawl Only. As can be seen, no results are displayed, only a list of the web pages in the application are listed. Secondly, I will demonstrate a single page cross-site scripting scan against a deliberately vulnerable web application BWAP. Here we can see one vulnerability is found. This is the expected result. Next, I will run an SQL Injection scan against another deliberately vulnerable web application, DVWA. There are some graphical issues during the scan which I'm working to resolve currently, but as can be seen, once again, one vulnerability is found. Now I'll run a full scan against one of the applications tested in this project. As you can see, in this text area, a list of all the web pages in the application has been listed. This box here shows the page currently being scanned. As we can see, the current page changes as the scan progresses. I've now skipped ahead to when the scan is finished, and the results are displayed in the text area on the right. The results tell us that there are 4 total session management vulnerabilities found, 1 where a cookie has been found without a secure flag, and 3 where cookies are without the HTTP only flag. Additionally, no SQL, XSS, or HTTP splitting vulnerabilities have been detected on this web page. Here we can see the scan took 506 seconds, which is approximately 8 minutes. Now I will scan the same web application but with a session management flaws only option. Here we can see how much faster the pages are being scanned when this is the only vulnerability to detect. With the scan now finished, we can see it gives us the exact same results as we received from the full scan, showing 1 page where the cookie is without a secure flag and 3 pages where there is no HTTP only flag set. Finally, HTTP response splitting. Unfortunately, I do not have a test case for this vulnerability as I was unable to find any web applications known to be vulnerable to it. Therefore, in the future, in order to test this vulnerability, I hope to develop my own web app which includes this vulnerability so it may be properly tested.